Welcome back to Destination Perfect. I'll admit, when I thought of doing a video on Basildon, England, I had my doubts. Maybe you do too. Most people think of Basildon as just another post-war new town, all concrete and roundabouts. But travel has a way of surprising you, and this place did just that. I found a lot of history, nature, and a pulse you only feel when you stop passing through and actually arrive. Today we're peeling back the layers and discovering 8 spots that change my mind about this place. Forget what you think you know. Let's find something real. Our first stop, Wat Tyler Country Park. On the surface, it's a beautiful green space, trails, meadows, birdsong, but beneath the calm, there's a dramatic past. This was once the site of one of the world's largest explosives factories. In 1916, a massive explosion here changed everything. Today, you can still see the ruins, blast mounds now covered in grass, old workers' cottages. Nature has reclaimed the land, turning a place of danger into a sanctuary for rare birds and families. The park doesn't hide its history, it embraces it. Walking here, you feel the weight of the past and the resilience of both people and nature. It's not just a park, it's a living history lesson. The transformation from industry to peace sets the tone for Basildon, always more than meets the eye. Here, the past and present blend, reminding us to look deeper. Wat Tyler Country Park is proof that places can heal and reinvent themselves. It's a powerful start to our journey. Let's keep digging. Next, we dive into Basildon's nightlife at Festival Leisure Park. Locals call it Bass Vegas. It's loud, bright, and buzzing with energy. Here you'll find cinemas, bowling, restaurants, everything for a night out. During the day, it's families and kids. At night, it's friends, dates, and celebrations. It's easy to dismiss places like this as generic, but they're vital social hubs. Festival Leisure Park is where memories are made. First dates, birthday parties, late-night laughs. It's a communal space that adapts to the town's rhythm. The electric man-made beauty here is all about connection and fun. It's not just entertainment, it's the beating heart of Basildon after dark. To understand the town's modern identity, you have to feel this energy. It's essential, and it's unforgettable. On to the next. Every town has a center, and in Basildon, it's the Eastgate Shopping Centre. More than just shops, it's the town's meeting place, the heart of daily life. You see everyone here, families, workers, students, all crossing paths. The mother and child fountain is a landmark, a piece of public art woven into the town's identity. The food court is the town's dining room, diverse, noisy, and welcoming. Eastgate is a shelter, a social hub, and a piece of living history. Even the architecture tells a story with light pouring in from the glass roof. It's not just about shopping, it's about community. The Eastgate is Basildon's concrete heart, still beating strong. Let's see what's beyond the bustle. After the town center's buzz, you need an escape. Enter Noack Bridge Nature Reserve, a hidden pocket of tranquility behind a housing estate. It's small, intimate, and full of quiet beauty. Here, you slow down, notice the birdsong, the wildflowers, the play of light. It's a place for stillness, a rare gift in a busy world. What makes it special? It's cared for by local volunteers, people who love this patch of wildness. This is the Basildon nobody talks about, the quiet spaces between the loud ones. Even in a planned town, nature finds a way. Noack Bridge is a breathing space, a reminder to pay attention. It's a secret worth sharing. Sometimes, the smallest places have the biggest impact. Let's keep exploring. If you're enjoying the video so far, please make sure to like and subscribe to the Destination Perfect channel for more travel videos like this. Also check out our affiliate links in the description below to book your holiday, as those sites have the best deals in our opinion. Buying from our links will really help the channel out. Now, for something unexpected, Basildon Park. A grand Georgian mansion miles from the new town. It's the original Basildon. Step inside, and you're in another era. Elegance, craftsmanship, and history in every room. After Wobbly, it was nearly lost, but Lord and Lady Iliff restored it and gave it to the National Trust. Their passion saved this place, filling it with art and life. The house is full of quirks, like the shell room, decorated with thousands of exotic shells. Basildon Park is a paradox. Old money and classical beauty, just miles from modern Basildon. It's a reminder that history is layered and full of contradictions. Having both the mansion and the new town in one story makes this area fascinating. Here, the past and present collide in the most beautiful way. Basildon Park is more than a museum. It's a living testament to preservation. Let's climb higher. Time to climb. Langdon Hills Country Park awaits. This isn't a gentle stroll, you earn the view. At the top you see the Thames estuary, Kent, and even London's skyline. Up here, Basildon feels both close to the city and a world apart. The park is a playground for runners, cyclists, and walkers. Ancient woodlands, some trees centuries old, connect you to deep time. In spring, bluebells carpet the forest floor. Langdon Hills is rugged, wild, and a living link to the past. The view explains Basildon's unique position between countryside and city. It's a map to the town's identity. Here you understand Basildon's story in a single glance. The climb is worth it. Let's head to the stage. Every town needs a stage, and in Basildon, it's the Towngate Theatre. It's not huge, but it's the cultural heart, local shows, touring acts, and the legendary Christmas panto. There's a special magic here, intimacy, connection, and shared anticipation before the curtain rises. The lobby is a walk through Basildon's cultural history, posters, famous faces, memories. The Towngate brings people together, fosters talent, and creates shared stories. The energy spills out onto the street after every show. A local theater isn't a luxury. It's essential. It feeds the soul in ways shops and parks can't. The Towngate proves Basildon's creative spirit is alive and thriving. The show goes on, night after night. One last stop. Our final stop, Barleylands Farm Park. It's more than a farm. It's a hub of family fun and creativity. Kids make memories feeding animals and riding tractors, but there's more. The Craft Village, home to real artisans, blacksmiths, potters, glassblowers. It's a thriving community of makers, not a tourist trap. You can watch, learn, and talk to the artists. Barleylands is a place for families, foodies, and anyone who loves creativity. It's a community within a community, full of life and surprises. The farm has evolved, just like Basildon itself. It's the perfect place to end our tour. Unexpected, diverse, and alive. Let's wrap up. That was Basildon, or at least the Basildon I found when I stopped to look. We saw history, nature, nightlife, and creativity, all in one town. The biggest lie is thinking you know a place just by passing through. Every town is a million stories waiting to be found. The real reward of travel is having your assumptions challenged. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the Destination Perfect channel for more videos like this. Our goal isn't to give you a guide, it's to inspire you to look closer wherever you are. Get out, walk, talk, and see what you find. The story is always there, waiting. Go do more. See for yourself.